In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font size in Tradingview. If you've ever squinted at tiny axis labels or wanted your chart text to stand out a bit more, this quick walkthrough will help you dial in the perfect size so your charts are easier to read and analyze. Start by opening your browser and heading to tradingview.com. If you have an account, sign in so your changes can be saved to your profile. You can do this without signing in, but logging in ensures your preferences stick across sessions and devices. Once you're on the site, you'll want to open a chart so you can see your adjustments in real time. Choose a stock or any symbol you like and launch the full chart view. You can pick a symbol from the search bar and then open the full featured chart so you get access to all the customization options. This is important because the font controls are only available in the full chart experience, not in quick previews or compact widgets. Next, open the chart settings. You can click the gear icon on the chart's top toolbar or right-click anywhere on the chart and choose settings from the menu. This opens the main customization window where all the visual and scale options live. Inside the settings window, click on Canvas. The canvas area controls the visual look of your chart background and elements that sit on the chart itself. Visiting Canvas first is a good way to confirm you're in the right place within the settings window and to ensure your chart's visuals are set up the way you want before you adjust text sizing. Now move to the scales section. This is where you can adjust the font size for the axes, specifically the price scale on the right and the time scale along the bottom. Look for the font size control and increase or decrease it until the labels are comfortable to read. You'll see a live preview on the chart as you make changes. So take a moment to find a balance where text is clear without crowding the chart. If you're on a high resolution display, a larger size can make a big difference. When you're happy with the result, click OK to apply your changes. Your chart will keep those settings going forward. As a quick tip, if other text still feels small, like indicator labels or drawing tool notes, those have their own size settings in their respective tools, but your axis labels are now set. That's it. Go to the site, open a full chart, open settings, visit Canvas, switch to scales, adjust the font size, and confirm with OK. Enjoy clearer, more readable charts.